So when you get AirServer installed, you should probably restart your computer the first time just to make sure that you actually have it. You can go to your applications and you can scroll down and find it. It'll be listed as AirServer Universal, and then you can open it from there. But when you start your computer up, it should start automatically. It should always be running kind of in the background on your computer. And so the way to go and see that is by clicking down here where it says show your hidden icons. And then you'll see this little guy right here. It looks like a little rectangle. It's meant to be a device screen with a little arrow coming out of it indicating that you're sending it somewhere. So that's the AirServer logo. And if I click on it, this is where I get access to the settings. Now AirServer is already running. If I have any trouble with it, I can just click on rebroadcast services. But if I need to get into the settings, this is where I can change the name of my computer, or how this particular AirServer computer will display as I'm going through the list of, say, 24, 30 different teacher computers in the building. This is how I can delineate what mine looks like. Also, this is how I can also rebroadcast from here. I have it set to rebroadcast automatically. And in our district, when they install it, they automatically put a password on it because they assume you're going to want to control who connects to your computer. But you can go here to change that password. And you can either change the password to something you like, or you can open this up and select no password, or even an on-screen password, which is kind of cool because basically the people that are in your classroom at the time will get a randomly generated on-screen code, and that's how they'll connect their device to your screen. This will keep kids or students from other parts of the building from connecting to your AirServer without your permission. The other thing you can do is just say ask me, and then when someone tries to access AirServer, it will prompt your computer that this person's trying to get their screen showing on your screen. Would you like to accept? So those are the options for password. I'm going to just leave it as the default, and then if I made any changes, I would click apply. Otherwise, I'm just going to say okay. And on your device, you'll swipe up with one finger from off of the screen at the bottom of your display and swipe up. You'll select AirPlay, and then you'll select the device you want to connect to, also being careful to toggle the mirroring option on. And you'll notice now you can see the entire display. You can see the home screen and everything. So I could show students any of the apps on my device. I could also take them on the internet. I can use one of the whiteboard applications like EduCreations, which is a free whiteboard application. And I can use my iPad in my hand as a whiteboard to wander around the room with while what I'm drawing or writing on my iPad shows up at the front of the screen. So that's pretty cool. Also notice that I can make this go full screen or full-ish screen, and I can change the way this displays back inside the settings. So this is a really cool way to share your iPad and kind of have a basically what's like a smart board or an interactive whiteboard in your hand, but also having the power of an iOS tablet.